In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into remembered accounts on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And now I'm on Instagram login page where I got 2 remembered accounts. Now here I can tap at login button next to any of that accounts to log into that specific account. And now if I want to log into another account, all I have to do is right there tap at profile page, then hit menu icon, then tap on settings, and here scroll down and tap at add account. Then tap on log into existing account. Right here I can enter username and password, or I can tap on continue as and my username. And it gives me the ability to log into another remembered account on Instagram, so I'll just tap at login next to that account's username. And here, as you can see, I have just logged to my secondary account, and I can simply switch between them just by double tap at profile picture. Just make a double tap to switch to your another account. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.